Hey friends, Happy New Year and welcome to Quest for Tech. Today we're checking out the Neato D8 Robot Vacuum. The D8 is currently on sale for $349.99 at neatorobotics.com. And that is a holiday 2021 price that's carried over to 2022. So let's jump right in and see if this robot is worth a try. Friends, do us a huge favor and click that subscribe button to join the quest, and here we go. Now, according to Mynito, the D8 Intelligent Robot Vacuum is optimized for smaller layouts. Mynito promises a deep clean with 20% greater dirt pickup than their previous Mynito 5, and a high-performance filter that traps up to 99% of allergens and fine dust particles. The D8 also covers more surface area in less time. It cleans up to 750 square feet on a single charge. Mynito's Laser Smart Slam technology with LiDAR completely maps, navigates, and cleans your home, even in the dark. The Mynito app is easy to use and very helpful. You can easily set up your robot, start, stop, or return it to base, create no-go zones for your robot, and even set cleaning routines. The D8 has a big brush and dirt bin. It holds more dirt, dust, and dander for a quicker and more complete clean. And you will need that bigger dirt bin since this robot has no self-empty base. The Neato D8 is on sale right now for $349.99, but it would be nice if it had a self-empty base option for this model. We found ourselves emptying the dust bin again and again after every single clean, which can get a little annoying pretty fast. The D8 has pretty good suction, but it did not work well over our thicker carpets or area rugs. In fact, we could not even use it downstairs where we have nothing but thick area rugs. So if you have a home with thicker rugs or carpet, you may want to check out our D-Bot N8 Plus review and see how well it handled those type of surfaces. Overall, the Neato D8 is a good entry-level robot. You're only getting the robot and a charging base for the price, but that's all you need to jump into the world of self-cleaning robots. It has decent suction power, average navigation, and an easy-to-use app. So for the current $349.99 sale price, it is a pretty good buy. But if you're looking for a better than average robot vacuum, you'll have to move up to that $450 to $550 price range. Thanks friends for questing with us. We really appreciate you. Do us a huge favor and like the video and subscribe to Quest for Tech for more tech news, reviews, and so much more. Once again, friends, we really appreciate you questing with us. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there. Happy New Year, and never stop questing. Peace.